What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with a processor that no other smartphone can boast of. The long-awaited premiere of the Galaxy S23 line is still ahead of us, but there is already information about the next line of the Samsung smartphones, named the Galaxy S24 line. Recently, we informed you about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model. Samsung may offer something that no smartphone has yet. Now it turns out that the whole line can be unique due to the processor used. It already seems that the premiere of the Galaxy S23 line should come as no surprise, because thanks to recent pre-release reports, we have learned the full specifications of all new Samsung flagships. Thanks to this, the predictions that all models will be connected by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor have finally been confirmed. The new Galaxy S24 line will be truly unique. This month, the first unofficial report about the Galaxy S24 line, or rather the model with the Note Ultra, appeared. Then I told you that this smartphone will have something that none of its competitors have. Reports circulating on the network said that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a telephoto lens with Generation 4 optics and an aperture value between f2.5 and f2.9 and the ability to take photos with up to 150x zoom. This means that the Galaxy S24 Ultra can have 50% more zoom than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is 100x. On this occasion, it is worth noting once again that there is also a lot of talk about the Xiaomi Mi 13 Ultra, which can offer its users a camera with up to 200x digital zoom. If this turns out to be true, then in this somewhat pointless zoom race, Samsung would be dethroned. In fact, even before the start, smartphones from the Galaxy S23 line will be connected, among others, by the processor. Recall that this is the first time in history that the Samsung will use the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset in all models globally. This change is the result of years of disappointment with the performance of Exynos chipsets. It is worth noting, however, that Samsung does not use the same Snapdragon chipset that other manufacturers use. According to speculation, the chipset used in the Galaxy S23 line is called Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy, and the company will also use Snapdragon for Galaxy line chipsets in its next line of flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S24. Leakster Yogesh Brar claims that Samsung will continue to use Snapdragon processor until their own chipsets are advanced enough to match the performance of those produced by Qualcomm. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.